Funky D, everybody. Welcome back to Funky D News Time once again. Yes, I get some another message again when I want to send these people when they call them EFCC when we say then they talk with two corner mouth. Now only when if one president come out, the one when they knew they go to work for them. That's what they do them. So they already work for the present president. Then the former one then go they talk anyhow against that person. But we know say though those people too then corrupt. Like President Goodluck Jonathan regime, we know the massive corruption when we see when they scatter the whole country. We know that. We know say Goodluck Jonathan corrupt. In wife corrupt. Dasuki corrupt. Madweke corrupt. Everybody when work under Jonathan corrupt. And also everyone that is working with Buhari today reach the EFCC people. All of them corrupt past Jonathan regime. Now the matter when Funky D get for now today. Because he get some news when I see, I can say sure why EFCC then go they come out, they yarn anyhow. Because see Buhari, they carry bag of Ghana must go. They give them. So now they won't tell us say Buhari regime or Buhari himself or Aisha Buhari not corrupt. Now we go begin name waiting day now. Because now him, EFCC people and Buhari government, they won't hear. So you get. Now let's start with this Goodluck Jonathan issue when they say the time when Goodluck Jonathan they into power, EFCC say the money when they chop, when they loot, when they thief, then thief am, say na 1.3 trillion. That one na small money now. That one na small money, ladies and gentlemen, to compare with waiting Buhari and his cabals them don't loot. In fact, only one time looting when they loot, when we say everybody hear the matter, not quite not too long before this their presidential election, when they say Buhari family loot 1.3 trillion, just exactly the same amount when only Buhari family, ladies and gentlemen, only Buhari family. And that one are the one when they tell us. Here you get. Now, if EFCC they talk say Jonathan government loot total 1.3 trillion, and we know say the money when then call about the Jonathan then own na small money, we know say the money when they loot pass that one. Pass am well. So now the one when this guy loot don't already supersede the one when Jonathan government loot for over how many years when then they into power from 2011 to 2015. The only one when they talk say then go buy this, then go buy that, I mean Buhari family. When Osunbanjo come and talk say Buhari na integrity man, say Buhari not the loot money. So why EFCC go come and they tell us say Jonathan then loot, but the people when they under Buhari, now be say all of them are sent. Now una forget say Oshomole and Jubri say anybody when the camp come from their party say in loot money, say that person's sin is forgiven. Now be say If you loot money before and you join APC, you can imagine a political party saying things like that. If you did PDP before or any other party say you loot money before, if you join APC, now be say your sin is forgiven. Then Magu now Ibrahim Magu or Ibrahim Mugu. I don't know what they call that man that won't be the leader of EFCC. So in not here when Oshomole talk that thing. I be in not there than Nigeria. In not here when Oshomole say if you loot money before you join APC, then your sin is forgiven. Now be say APC is totally corrupt. The corruption when they inside APC. In fact, American government don't tell them say men say this man what they call Mugu or Magu say the man not they try. They not they do any investigation. They not they do any investigation at all. Say now play then they play. Now Okpabio. We know how much Okpabio loot. Take it. Okpabio, we know how much Okpabio himself loot. All those cabals, then when they inside Aso Rock, when they carry trillions, all of them, they carry go house every day. EFCC, they will come talk, say, they don't know. Ganduji, Oshomole, Bola Tinubu, when they catch 2 billion van, EFCC, they don't see Bola Tinubu, then they talk that they just want to deceive us. They just want us to come out our eye from where APC people. That is why they bring out this good Lord Jonathan matter. And Funky D say, we no go come out our eye from APC people. We go they watch them closely. The whole APC governors, look at Okorocha, they are all corrupt. Mugu or Mago, no they see them. Who Mago or Mugu go come they talk to, like saying they talk to small picking. You understand? So Mugu, we are not buying that your thing when you just come out, you won't just distract people's attention from waiting Buhari they do to Nigerian people. Mugu not dead there. When if na American FBI, ladies and gentlemen, that thing will happen in Nigeria, this election when they do, when they kill hundreds upon hundreds of people. Mugu not dead there. If na FBI, this election, Buhari himself, all of them, Oshomole, Osibanjo, Bola Tinubu, all of them are inside now. All of them they inside already. Since as we were talking, that they conduct another election. If not America, this thing happen, or even in Europe. So Mugu, when they do investigation, when we say name they be master of investigation, why in not they talk about this matter? Why in never address this matter of this killing one day? This election when they rig, if the man say in a re-investigator or in they do re-investigation on matters when concern Nigerian people, this election when they rig, in go carry on for head. In go carry on for head and say, man, uno rig election, no way, we not accept this kind of thing in this country. So everything when Mugu or Maga they do, in they do them to respect and in the favor of APC people. The man is not working for Nigerian people. It's not working for Nigerian citizens. They are working for the incumbent government, which is APC political cabals. Look at Bola Tinubu carry bullion van, 2, not one again, 2. Mugu no see am. I believe that helicopter when they say in wings break, engine break because of too much money when they carry. Mugu no see am. And ladies and gentlemen, Funky D not they defend anybody. Like I don't tell on before see Jonathan government corrupt. In wife patience corrupt. Denzene corrupt. This one went there for prison. Whether they don't, this one when they say now they give Buhari too much problem. See even when they inside when they for army, say the man they always give Buhari a headache. What be that man name again? Dasuki. All of them when work with Jonathan, including Jonathan himself, all of them corrupt. But today we talk about this APC people and this Mugu when they come they deceive Nigerian people or they distract Nigerian people. I say we not the hear word or we not get eye to see what they happen in that country. Make una see now. This man when I talk again, this man when I talk now saying they for prison, ladies and gentlemen, this man na another military man. Make you say why come be say Nigerian people na military people when don't wear army uniform, they will go pull am for their house. They will come back as civilian. They will come they rule Nigeria again. Why Nigerian people they allow all this kind of a thing? That man, na still military man. Buhari, na military man. Abba Kyari, na military man. All of them, majority of them, when they APC, when we say they get the top position, because Abba Kyari na the chief of staff to Muhammadu Buhari alias Jubri. All of them na army people. Retired soldiers. Why Nigerian people then they allowed all this kind of thing to happen? And we they claim, say we wise past everybody when they this world. Now Nigerian people they do pass themselves. They do pass themselves. Like say they know too much, but whereas nothing they are bring. They go outside and they make empty noise. See them too much, them be this, them too Sabine, and then do this, that be that. I don't understand. But at the end of the day, Funky D go say na corruption na him kill that Nigeria. Even some people they tell me say, oh, Funky D, the Nigeria, the youth, they don't brainwash them. Then they put food for nose. Now Funky D they put food for the youth them for their mouth. I be then they now through nose then they swallow the fufu where they eat. Or the fufu they where they eat in Nigeria there. Shall you get? So the matter we must to talk them, and as it they happen, we go to talk and they go. Shall you get? Because the Nigerian politicians and the EFCC, they are working together, ladies and gentlemen. All those plenty money, they recover, then do this, they recover. Where are this money? And Nigerian government, then they go, they borrow money, and we get money. The money where they go borrow, pass the money where they loot, pass the money when one person loot, pass the money where they go borrow from China. Now, this man they call La Muhammad don't they cry out now say now because of one thing say foreign government no one borrow the money again. Foreign government from Kidi say make none they borrow money to Nigerian politicians again. They are all corrupt. When that money where they go borrow now share then they share them. Every year, these people, they do budget year by year, everything that they do budget. Every time that they do budget. But the thing where they do budget for, you know go see for eye. So, all those money, when they say they recover, and they ask the EFCC people, where now they put this money? When we say, they allow government, they go borrow money in China. or from China. Money not day, but one person get trillions. So the issue when you dey talk say Jonathan government then borrow then thief 1.3 trillion under his care, you know hold water, because the only one time money when we hear when Buhari Jubri family carry now the same amount of money. Now one time, even Buba Galadima can testify. Buba Galadima has already testified about it. So if you say you be investigator or whatever you be, investigate all these people when they APC. Abi you not see Ganduji. Abi you not see Oshomole. Oshomole now one time, that time they say Oshomole run go America. Before you know, Oshomole don't run come back, say nothing they happen. He go EFCC. Oshomole, according to them, they say Ingo, maybe Oshomole they inside the house, they sleep. They say Oshomole go EFCC, you not even stay 1 minute. Oshomole don't come out for EFCC. They tell us say me Ingo house, go relax, say not do anything. And you they tell me say you they fight corruption. Nigerian government are not good. Nigerian president are not good. If una do good thing, we go still talk about the good things when una do. Make una give us electricity, ordinary electricity. Una not dey shame. Election when una do na generator when una rent. Abi na tiku supply una no know who where una go get generator when una take conduct election. Even that generator, when they use some of the generators, they not function, they not work. You don't know something when federal government then they do. Then they say many places their generator not work, ladies and gentlemen. Federal government they use generator, they conduct election. Una not the shame. All of them when be politicians in that country, all of them they see Nigeria, they black out every 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. Una know the shame. Hospital una not get. If una sick, una go wrong, go abroad. Una know the shame. Una no they do Nigeria like abroad when they wrong go. What they there to do to put things in place for people? Una no they shame. Beg, make una not let me verse. Make una not let Funky D verse, because if I verse, I know come off for here today, ladies and gentlemen. So Abraham Mugu, make you face APC people, including PDP people. Make you sure say you be real man. Not they use your this thing. Whether you don't turn to it, I think maybe you are a politician now. I don't know. Because now you are siding APC people. Why you not talk to APC people? Why come be saying that Jonathan you they talk to? I been at today, Jonathan come up for position. Though you better make we talk the matter so that Jonathan, anywhere when you put the money, when you loot, you and your wife, make una bring out the money. Make una give to Nigerian people. Though if they give now, we know this here for eye. We won't be Nigerian citizens. We know they see nothing with our eye. Funky did not know whether they chucking all those money. Say then they do kill and divide. Kill and divide. And they do. Funky D. Ladies and gentlemen, may una help me tell Mugu say make you go investigate Oshomole and Ganduji. All the whole APC governors and ministers. All the whole APC and PDP senators. Both the present and past senators. Present and past governors. Make them they vomit the money when they don't carry, when they don't loot from our treasury. So that We go take am, make Nigeria better. Funky D. Funky D. Ladies and gentlemen, if you get any comment, they drop am, they come. Make you they share my video. All my videos, they give people. Share and give Abraham Mago or Mugu. Share and give Osebanjo, Oshomole. All of them, they are all corrupt. Buhari is corrupt. Only this election alone don't show us say Buhari is deadly corrupt. Because if you're not corrupt, Buhari no go kill hundreds upon hundreds of people with military personnel. Funky D. Make you not forget to repress that bell sign when they there. Okay, so any time when Funky D upload, we'll not go first catch. Good night, everybody. One love. Bye.